Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I have a heavy glam Valentine's Day makeup tutorial for you guys. I had so much fun creating this fun, beautiful, pink toned makeup look for you guys for Valentine's Day. So if you guys are interested in knowing how I achieved this super glam makeup look, and if you're interested in knowing what products I used today to create this beautiful look, then make sure to keep on watching. Now before we jump into the video, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Alright you guys, so we're gonna get started with skin prep. The first thing I want to do is prime the face, so I'm gonna go in with my Skin Inc supplement bar. This is the Serum Glow Filter. I love this stuff just to really blur out my pores and get my face ready for makeup. I like to concentrate this on my T-zone. Just quickly going in with my Laneige sleeping mask just because my lips are so dry. I want to pop this on the lips just to get nice moisture and hydration, and my lips will be ready for lipstick later on. I'm going in with the Lottie London Bubble Tea Primer, and I'm gonna use this as like additional moisturizer for the face. The formula is so nice, you guys. It's really lightweight. It's got a really thin consistency, and I just love how much moisture it adds to the face and just kind of preps it for foundation. Going in with my Skin Proud Icicle Cooling Eye Serum Stick, and I'm just going to pop this under the eyes. This really helps the under eyes get nice hydration and just preps them for makeup. I'm going in with the Charlotte Tilbury Color Corrector. This is in the shade Medium 2, and I'm just gonna apply this all over areas where I have hyperpigmentation, so around my mouth, under my eyes, and also on any acne scarring that I have, just to perfect my imperfections. So today's look is going to be very luminous and glowy, so I feel like a dewy foundation is definitely going to be a good one to use. So I have here the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in the dewy version. You guys know I absolutely love the Wet n Wild foundation. It's such a great drugstore foundation, you guys. Super affordable and beautiful formula. I absolutely love it. I want to quickly prep the lids because we're going to go in with eyeshadow. So I'm just going in with my concealer. This is the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I'm just going to blend out the concealer, and then we'll set it in place with the Huda Beauty setting powder. So for eyeshadow, I have a couple of palettes here that I'm thinking of dipping into, so we'll see what I end up grabbing. But I first want to start off with the Violet Voss Berries and Cream Dreams palette. This is a beautiful palette that has the perfect shades for Valentine's Day. So I think I'm going to start off with this nice neutral shade right here. This is like a nice brown shade, and it's called Berry Bouquet. You basically just want to go in with a nice transition into the crease. Next up, I want to go in with Glamberry, which is like a beautiful deep magenta. I think it's going to pair really nicely with my hijab color, and I'm going to dust that right onto the crease as well. And holy pigment, you guys, wow, this is a beautiful color. So we're just focusing this onto the crease as well, just to create a nice shadow. I am going to quickly cut the crease because I want to go in with a really nice shimmer on the lids. So I'm just going in with some of my Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I'm just going to carve out the crease. So for the lids, I really want to go in with something super shimmery and glowy because that's the vibe for today's look. So I think I want to jump into the Ace Beauty Glow Essentials highlighter palette, and I want to go in with a highlight on the lids, and I think I want to go in with this one right here, which is called Radiant. I'm just going to go in directly with my finger, and I'm going to pack that onto the lid. I am loving how this is looking. Wow. I'm just gonna add Glamberry to the outer corners just to fill that in. I'm grabbing my ABH Soft Glam palette, and I'm gonna go in with this shade right here just to add to the outer corners, and this is the shade Mulberry. I'm taking a more dense blending brush, and I'm just going to concentrate this color on the outer portion of the eyes. And this is just adding really nice dimension to the look. Gonna quickly take a break from the eyes. We're gonna work on the face. I'm going to conceal my face with the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. Gonna use the concealer to clean up the eyeshadow just like that and create a nice outer V. And just setting my face in place with the Huda Beauty setting powder. So while the face is setting in place, I want to quickly do my eyeliner. So I'm going to go in with the Ciate London Fierce Flicks Black Eyeliner. Alright, eyeliner is all done. I did a thin wing and now I'm going to take my brush and just wipe away the setting powder because it's all done setting on my face. And I'm also just going to drag it down onto the rest of my face just to set the face because we're going to use powder, contour, blush, and highlight. I'm going to quickly fill in my brows with my Benefit Gimme Brow, and I'm just going to brush through my brows with this. Taking Berry Bouquet, which is the brown transition shade I applied on the crease, I'm just going to use that to dust my lower lash line. So I quickly went off camera and I wrapped up the eyes. I popped on some Kiss number 11 lashes and some mascara. I will leave details down below in the description box of what I used. Next up, I want to contour. I'm going in with this Half Caked palette. This is their Double Dipper palette, and I'm just going to use a mix of these two colors. I'm also just going to quickly dust down the sides of my nose to do a quick nose contour, and I will just clean it up with setting powder so it's not so harsh. For blush, I want to go in with a pretty pink just because we are doing Valentine's Day makeup. So I have here the Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in Pearlescent pink, and it has like a slight shimmer in it. So I'm just going to pop this on the face and of course on the nose for some color. And I'm going to put a little bit on the chin as well. I'm just going to take a little bit of setting powder and clean up the cheeks so they look nice and clean, and just blend that out with my brush. Time for some highlight, and I want to jump back into the Ace Beauty Glow Essentials palette, and I want to use the same highlight shade that I applied onto the lids. So we're going to put this on the high points of my face. That looks absolutely beautiful. Cupid's bow and the nose, of course. I also want to add some into the inner corners of the eyes just to add a nice pop. So I just need to wrap up my lips and we're basically done. So I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild lip liner in the shade Chestnut. For lipstick, I want to go in with a color that's really going to match the eyes and the hijab, and I have here the Milani matte lipstick, and this is in the shade Matte Beauty. This is one of my favorite neutrals at the moment, you guys. I did do a video where I share all of my current favorite neutral lipsticks, so if you guys are interested in checking that out, I'll have that video linked up here and also down below in the description box for you guys. I do want to top up the lips with a gloss. I have here the Instant Crush Lip Gloss by Half Caked, and this is in the shade Crystal Baller. So I'm just going to pop this on the lips. And the very last thing I have to do is set my face in place with some setting mist, and I'm going in with the Pixi Makeup Fixing Mist, and this is the Rose Water and Green Tea one. Alright you guys, so that is pretty much it for today's Valentine's Day heavy glam makeup tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I had so much fun playing with makeup and creating this fun pink toned Valentine's Day look for you guys. I think it turned out amazing. I definitely was hoping to do a soft glam, but my hands just ended up doing a little bit too much of a heavy look, but I think I'm really happy with it. I'll definitely do a more soft glam look next, so make sure you guys check out for that. All of the products that I used today will be listed down below in the description box, so make sure you guys check that out. And if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. And you guys, that is pretty much it. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.